I'm live yet. No sound today. What, bro? What? Kurt's in the house, but you can't hear me talk? Man, that's a great way to ruin my Thursday. Oh, my goodness, bro. Oh, my goodness. You're here in spirit, though. Love it. Good morning, everyone. Tom, a.k.a. Nostradamus, the world's greatest economist. A ding, 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 ding. I see you. I gargle it. Man, I'm so bummed. I'm so bummed. My homie, my friend, can't hear me. All right, ding, 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 ding. What about Ergo today, bro? God damn it! Go borrow someone's headphones. Oh, I'm trying not to swear and be like crude on YouTube anymore, and you already got me saying the GD. All right. I just did a little bit of I'm working on those. I lost a prescriber, man. I think this is the lowest number we've ever been at in a long time. I'm really bummed. Man, what's going on? Get them likes up, get them prescribes up. Are we live on Rumble? I don't know if, yeah, we're live. I don't know if last night's ever went through. Replay available. Oh yeah, it played. All right, hell yeah. Elon Musk is a fraud. 52 people watched it. 1 like, not bad. How did it do on YouTube? Can send hearts? Hell yeah, bro. You know what you can't send? FOMO. 2 likes on the Elon is a big fat fraud. Oh my goodness. How are the likes doing for the week? Probably pretty weak ass. Probably pretty weak. Oh, what? You can hear me? I don't understand. Like, would you can't send me acknowledgments that I'm talking to you, right? How can you hear me, bro? Are you getting like you got your volume down really low? You got like tape. Turn the volume down really low and just tape a couple computer speakers right to your head. Or if it's on your phone, just be like this. 2 likes, 5 likes, 4 likes. Oh, some weak ass likes this week. You're lucky I streamed at night. I don't know. Oh, you started watching on your phone. Yeah, just keep it, Man, crypto's so freaking boring. All right, ding ding. We did the dings. I do have
FOMO arigato, Mr. Roboto. FOMO.
I'll keep it chill, bro. Unless you get me fired up. I want to keep it chill. Period. Like I got to be more professional. If we really want to ever like get past 1,200 prescribers. We gotta stop saying stupid things in chat. We're pivoting. We're in a building mode. My exchange sent me an email taking out my crypto. Which one? Can you use KuCoin? I checked and I can't use KuCoin. Like we're looking at. Oh, before I forget, let's get this tweeted out. If you could retweet this for me, that would be great. If you could retweet this for me, that'd be great, Coit. Yeah. Yep, that's crazy that they're asking you what you're doing with your crypto. I guess it's probably not that big a deal. They're probably just cut CYA on the KYA and the AML. That's why I did. That's why I played this. You can hear the price is right is wrong, right? I asked you to retweet it, and then I played that. and a bit of a dick move. Yeah, hopefully you can get that sucker back. You can always spin up a new one. I know you probably won't want to do that, but I'm hoping they give it back to you. Let's see. Hashtag Ergo. Hashtag Rosen Bridge. Hashtag FOMO. FOMO. And we'll do a hashtag Cardano. Hashtag. See, why isn't that showing the video? All right, I'm gonna delete it. Home. Hashtag Ergo. Hashtag Cardonzo. Hashtag Rosen Bridge. That one doesn't really have one, it looks like. There we go. I want that to show up. Yeah, so I am getting Ergo FOMO. We'll get into it in a bit. I'm getting Ergo FOMO. I have some Ergo. I don't really have a way to get that Ergo back to me and turn it into fiat. I can't remember if Binance US. I don't think they ever had Ergo. But KuCoin, what the hell? Google, I accidentally deleted Google Chrome from my iPhone. I hate it when I do dumb shit like that. God dang it. The title should have been YouTuber has OCD during live stream and sits there and installs Google Chrome on his phone. Oh, it's there. I just gotta find where it is so I can put it back on the start bar. YouTuber obsesses over finding Google Chrome on his smartphone so he can put it back on his home bar. YouTuber has crazy OCD. I'm not seeing it. Oh my goodness. How do you, like, that's one of the problems with iPhone. If you have all these icons and if you don't remember where you put it or what group you put it in, it'll take you 20 minutes to find that sucker. I have no idea where it is. All right, Tom. Just stop upset. What was I getting on my smartphone for? Ergo. Now I don't even remember why I was getting on my smartphone. How was the pizza? Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? It was freaking delicious. I saw your little message this morning. What if I donate $10 for you to eat that pepper? Bro, I don't know what number that would have to get to for me to eat one of those peppers, but $10 isn't anywhere even close to the ballpark. I'm thinking you can put $20,000 cash in front of me and I'd probably still turn it down. I honestly, I don't know. I really don't know because I've grown. Look, I can eat hot ghost peppers, salsa, Carolina Reaper, but the hottest pepper I've ever eaten was just some Home Depot, like grow. I don't even know what it was. It was just a green pepper, and I bit into that. And I don't know what the story is, but that thing was insanely. It was insane. It hurt like hell. And that wasn't a Carolina Reaper. So I can't imagine what a Carolina Reaper would be like eating it. Now, those were dried, so I imagine they wouldn't be as bad, but still. Off. Oh, yeah. Off. Yeah, ding, ding. Let's look at the stock market. Day 2 of crashing, I think. Actually, the Nasdaq was down 100 pre-market. It's coming up a little. This is after a 300 and some point free fall yesterday. I don't remember how much the E-mini S&P was down. It's down quite a bit today at negative 24. Crude oil, $80 a barrel. And we have gold at down $3, $3.50, but it's still at 1970. Bitcoin futures up $40. Silver down 13 cents. It's in a free fall again. Volatility up another 76 cents. Jason is enjoying his vacation in Hawaii because he went long volatility, and that's paying off like crazy. This is the highest volatility it's been in a while, I think. Yeah, well, since May. But that thing's spiking like crazy. This means market uncertainty, means higher option premium. Bonds, what the hell, bro? Bonds are almost down 2 full points. 1 point and 27 ticks, bro. 120.14. What the hell is going on with bonds? Like, I'm not a bonds expert, but that is not good for the good kids. And the softs, what are the softs doing? Soybeans up 14, wheat down $3. What's the other one? Wheat, corn down $2.25. I used to trade some corn. I used to trade corn, wheat, and soybeans, but I used to focus on corn. Don't ask me why. All right, Coinbase basically flat. The miners basically flat. Tesla, is Apple had their earnings yet? I don't think they have. 8.3. Oh, today after the bell. Interesting. I think Qualcomm got destroyed today, so that could be a precursor to Apple. What has Apple been doing as of recent? Does someone know something? It's that. Oh, well, the market was down. And let's check in on Tesla. Tesla's actually up $1 at 255. It filled that gap right here. It's got another gap to fill down here at 236. That's more than likely going to happen. Yeah, it's more than likely going to get down to 233. So if you're looking to buy Tesla, you might want to wait for that. If you have a shitload of shares, if you have a crop load of shares, consider selling some calls. I think in general, stock market is probably going to continue to pull back for just a little bit. I don't know how long, but just a tad, just a little bit. Nothing crazy. Here we go. We got to extend this out. The problem is I don't want to move it, but that's hard. I'll just keep it close enough for government work. Got around that fib. Probably going to come back down to that 4,300, 43 level. That's a huge support and resistance right around here. 43.50. And if it loses that, it can get ugly. This could just be what is that? This could just be one, lower high and then a lower low, right? That could happen. A lot of uncertainty in the markets. The same thing happened to Bitcoin during the bull run. It peaked. A lot of people consider this right here. A lot of people consider this right here the peak, and this was just like a dead cat bounce and that bounced really high. But yeah. Yep. All right, NASDAQ, we already looked at that. Total crypto market cap 1.112 trillion. Pretty boring times in crypto right now. Bitcoin at 29.1, got a little jiggy yesterday, another little fake out. Ethereum continues to bleed down. It tiny rallies, but just keeps going lower and lower. It's at a long-term fib right now. Oh, my apologies. That was a serious frog in the throat. All right, Arbitrum $1.13 down a bit. Cardano below 30 cents, continuing to bleed down. Stop doing that. Is ADA BTC. What's Satoshi levels it at? It's down to 10. It's down to, I just did another It's down to 10. Benjamin Cowan says it's going to go all the way down here, which is possible, but I think it would be more of the case that Cardano kind of does this while Bitcoin does that. As we discussed yesterday, the Bitcoin bull run comes first. About 3 months later, come the altcoins. So if Bitcoin goes from 30,000 to 60,000, while Cardano sits at like 30 cents, that means it's going to be at 500 Satoshis, right? Get it? Got it? Good. Ugh. Solana, $22. If I had, I think this is, you know I don't like this chain, but I think it's a good investment. If you're in it, I think you're going to do well. I get tired of all the Maxi, Solana versus Cardano, they're like, Invest Answers did a video, and he has all these metrics, total market cap versus transactions. Come on, dude. Just because you came up, and it's just data, just comes you came up with a cool little thing that doesn't really mean anything. It's not a proven model to anything. Good for you, right? Cardano versus Solana. Invest Answers. Spoiler alert: Solana destroyed Cardano. He's not a paid shill, but he practically is. But it was all about transactions. Every one of his data metrics, like how many transactions, this and that, or most of them, right? Yeah, of course Solana has more transactions. He always like the way he always delivers it so that I find me a Solana versus anything where Solana loses on Invest Answers. I can sit there and tell you that you have a lot of cool data, but it doesn't mean a lot. I can give you pros and cons to both Cardano and Solana, and time will tell, right? And what I think is going to happen is they're both going to go up, and Solana will eventually fail. I believe they're both going to go up, and Cardano will be the winner. Solana will fail, or it won't be, I believe, I do, because of tech and the devs and their teams and the organizations backing it. That being said, things are holding Cardano back, like not having an on-ramp fiat. And that can end up blowing up in their face and cause them to be the loser. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, you know what I'm that's too many, you know what I'm saying, dog. XRP 66 cents. This is making a pullback. It's like the SEC case. At this point, it was barely even anything. All of crypto's back to where it was, and after doing a 2x, Solana or XRP is up about 50% or 40% right now versus it being up 102. If this continues to free fall, XRP is another one I'm starting to starting to like. I like the moves they're making. There's some things about them I don't like. The way that the founders have a ton of it and they just dump it. I need to. They have good vision on what they want to do, but I need to know that banks are actually going to use it. They're trying to tokenize real world assets. That's really cool. So it's got promise. However, its market cap is a little inflated. $35 billion market cap. Oh, I mean, BNB is the biggest bloated market cap there is right now. This one, why is BNB at 37 billion market cap ahead of, so far ahead, I should say. I get that it should maybe be ahead, but to the tune of 20 billion more than Cardano and Solana? And Matic? I don't think so, dog. What the hell is there to do over on, am I missing something? What, oh, they must, I wonder what their TVL is. And what it's, I know Pancake Swap, but still. 4.49 billion. Well, I mean, market cap to TVL ratio. I guess it makes sense compared to Matic and Solana and shit. I guess I take it back. 1.76 billion in Pancake Swap. I mean, that's pretty impressive. Radiant's up to 200 million over there. I got some money in Radiant over there. I forgot about, but it's only like 500 bucks. Using that layer 0. For anyone here for Rosen Bridge content, you might want to check out layer 0. That's your competition. Except I don't know if layer 0 is going to come to Cardano. That would be great if they did, but if they do, I think layer 0 is probably better technology than the Rosen Bridge. Just saying. I could be wrong. The answer I need to know, and maybe we'll find out today, it's going to be, yeah, it's wrapped. I already know the answer. With Rosen Bridge, it's wrapped on the other end. That's greatly increases your risk vectors. With layer 0, it's native here. It goes through an on-chain and off-chain process similar to the Rosen Bridge. Ends up native on the other end. That is the future. So I don't know if that's in Rosen Bridge's. I don't know if that's in Nash Bridges' roadmap, but all right. Where were we? No, we were just going down crypto row, huh? And the rest of them are just going to be pretty boring. Anything of notice? Polkadot about to lose 5, or eGold, the biggest garbage shell chain out there, about to lose 30. Pepe, we don't talk about Pepe. Avalanche, what was its all-time high? If you're an Avalanche, if you're an Avalanchian, this is probably a good buy. This could do pretty good in the bull market. I mean, it's greater than a 10x from all-time highs. You want to throw a little bag at Avalanche? I don't hate it. I don't like I mean, calling it garbage is a little strong. I like it more than a lot of the other chains I call garbage. My biggest problem with them is they're greasy, as they would say in Canada. They're greasy, as that dude would say, as they would say on the Trailer Park Boys. They use very, very... Oh, I don't have my tactics, like making up lies about other chains, having lawyers attack and sue other chains. Not a big fan of that kind of tactic, right? I'm in it for the tech and to make money, and I don't like unsavory practices. And you like them apples. I can't find... Oh, it's not giving me the chat. Or wait, no, I'm on the wrong video. I'm going to the jungle. I'm going to the rumble. And I'm gonna go live. I'm going to the rumble. Oh, 6 people watching over there. How's everyone doing in Rumble? Talk to me. Is that number correct? Can't be. I'm going to the Rumble. You guys interested in crypto over in Rumble? No one ever talks over there. You like crypto? You like Cardano? You like Ergo? What do you like? If that number is correct, there might be more people on Rumble than there is YouTube. Yeah, YouTube's only got 2 people. Bunch of people giving up on crypto. You don't care about the Rosen Bridge? All right. What's Harmony 1 doing? Harmony done? It's not moving. Clayton. Fedora. What is seriously? What's going on with Fedora and all those Harmony 1 Kool-Aid sippers? Charisma in the house. How you doing, brother? You like Phantom. Where's Velez? Caspa was hitting all-time highs. I'm not a big fan of Phantom. I don't hate Phantom, but I'm not really a big fan of him. Where is Fee-Fi for Phantom? I know I have it on here. Did I accidentally delete it? There's Caspa. Yeah, Caspa's hit all-time highs yesterday. We should have listened to Velez, man. Velez told us to buy it right here. Or like right here. Could you imagine if we would have all in? Velez should be the one doing the YouTube channel. We'd be up 200%. You decided to degen into Phantom. I mean, I'm sure you'll do okay. It's not a... Here we go. Oh, yeah. That's an ugly looking chart. That is an... I mean, all the charts are ugly, but this is particularly extra ugly. I'm sure this will do well in the bull run. I'm sure you'll make money on this. Down 93, 94%. You can't buy it much lower, that's for sure. What's their market cap? Fee-Fi for Phantom. Fee-Fi. 67. $500 million. Yeah. I think you'll do all right on that one. I mean, obviously I don't like it as much as Cardano, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, but I'm a Cardano, Ethereum, and Bitcoin maxi. Had a high of $3.50. You're looking at a good 15-20x. If it can get back to all-time highs, which it should. So I think you'll do pretty good. It's not a bad little YOLO, my friend. How's Casper doing? We haven't had Mentos in the house in a while. He had a little pump there, so Casper's doing okay. I don't think his Hex is doing very well. Let's check on Hex and Pulse. Yeah, Hex is... Ugh. Yikes. Holy shnikes. Well, Uniswap pulled it, so that was pretty much a death now. Let's see how we're doing. Cardano. Pulse chain fell off a cliff. Oh, it continues. Okay. Oh, actually it made a 31% gain back. Interesting. Don't call it a comeback. Pulse up 31%. Up to 182 million. Cardano's at 221 million. That's been sliding down a bit. But in general, I think the overall is down. Ethereum's down 8%. Tron's up 1%. I don't understand Tron. BSC's down. This is 7 days. BSC's basically flat. Arbitrum's down 7. Polygon's down 13%. What's going on at Polygon, man? 1 month it's down 16%. Solana's up 20% for the month. Ultron, I don't know what the hell this is up 24%. We looked at this. I don't remember what it was. Kronos, one of the worst chains in cryptocurrency. I don't know how there's 396 million in TVL over there. This is the biggest garbage chain in crypto. It's terrible. I've used it. It's terrible. Cardano. What's Cardano? I've never heard of that one. Clayton, what the hell is DeFi Kingdoms, right? Clayton, no, is DeFi Kingdoms doesn't even show up here. Like what? This chain is terrible too. This chain is just as bad, and I've used it. It's just as bad as Chronos. Where's all the TV on P5? Oh, we looked at this. I don't. Yeah, there's nothing going on over here of interest. Lido's given at 59 million. And again, I don't know if the token rebase is over here. It didn't seem to rebase when I held it on Arbitrum, so I'm not quite sure how that works. If it rebases over here, that's interesting, but you're kind of, I don't know, you're in a bridged, I got to imagine you're in a bridged LSD, which is like extra risky. All right, let's talk about Ergo and the Rosen Bridge. We've been doing some farming on Spectrum Finance, and when I say we, I say me. I don't know that I'm actually earning any rewards, or it doesn't start paying out, or oh, there's going to be a reward button, which seems to be the way things are done in Cardano, which is a bit weird. But I'm bullish on Spectrum. I'm bullish on Ergo. I have no way to buy Ergo right now, which is annoying. The Rosen Bridge will hopefully issues with 8 interacting. All right, that's some Lace wallet updates coming along pretty slowly. I meant to go to my Eternal wallet. What's my new YOLO coin? If I were to YOLO, I don't really have one, to be honest. If I do like, I'm really starting to, I think Ergo could be a good buy. But I don't know that I would necessarily YOLO. You gotta keep it in perspective that when I YOLO, we're talking, no, hold on. Don't just, hold on, bro. Some. If you want to buy some, go for it. And we're going to discuss Ergo. So, like, I would buy some Ergo right now if I could. I like what it has going for it. I like a lot of the community behind it, but I do have my reservations about it. It's taken a really long time on this Rosen Bridge. It's taken a really long time for there to be anything really over there. And after all these years, why is it not available on a real crypto exchange, right? So there's but those could be some pros too, right? So if Ergo can get listed on a major exchange, but in the United States, what is that? I mean, is Coinbase going to list Ergo? It's probably not even on the radar. Binance.us is not available anymore. Kraken, there's a possibility there. Genesis, no chance, right? So it needs to, I don't know if you can, you might be able to get it on Binance. So for the rest of the world, that might be good. You can still get it on KuCoin for the rest of the world. I no longer can. I don't know if Kurt can, or I'd have to send some money for someone to buy it for me. And then that becomes like a major, like, how do you deal with taxes and shit like that? Gate.io, you can't use in the United States. Huobi, I don't know if you can use that in the United States or not, to be honest. Huobi is not available. If they don't KYC, I guess I could use a VPN. Yeah, of course it's risky, bro. Okay, look, the least risk, Bitcoin, the least riskiest asset in crypto. Ethereum, the second least risky asset in crypto. Cardano, yeah, I'm skipping Binance and XRP and saying Cardano is the third least riskiest asset. I would put Polygon the fourth least riskiest asset. And then I would maybe put Solana the 5th. Or no, I'd actually put Atom ahead of Solana when it comes to risk right now. And yeah, I know. I just think Solana's tech scares me, and some of the things they're doing, I'm not sure that they're going to make it. Like all the more of the, like, I don't even know. Oh, True USD is just some stable coin. Filecoin. Internet Computer is an interesting yellow play. I like this one too. And not because of BitBoy. I think they got a decent team, but I wouldn't go crazy on anything, right? Ergo is not even in the top 100. It's as risky as it gets, bro. So honestly, Cardano is the best yellow coin on the board, in my opinion, because it's fairly safe. It's been around a long time. They got great engineers, great devs, great tech, great communication. Like no other project can you listen to the founder get on the mic and break things down in a manner that you can understand. Velez in the house. How you doing, brother? We were talking about Caspa, how it's at all-time highs, and we should have listened to you. Bro, Cardano, this is the YOLO coin. If you want to go big, in my opinion, not financial advice. This is an easy 10x. 10x's are life-changing. This is a potential 20x in the next bull run. Cardano could go to $5 or $6. A much greater chance of Cardano going to $3 than Ergo seeing all-time highs again in the next bull run. I don't know if this is the chart. Yeah, it is. This thing exploded in the last bull run. But this is this is a 20x to get back to all-time highs. About a, 17x to get back to all-time highs. So that could happen. But I think Cardano's less risky. Now, Ergo has more upside if they start delivering. And the Rosen Bridge could be big. But there's not much to do on Ergo. There's practically nothing to do over there, and it's been like that for a long time. It's a proof of work UTXO it's basically the proof of work version of Cardano. There's only 5.68 million TVL. I think Harmony One has more than that. I'm kidding, but not by much. Actually, I think Harmony One might have more than that. Spectrum Finance is the one I'm yield farming on Cardano. So there's a lot of cool things that could happen on Ergo. The Rosen Bridge is going to be... So the Rosen Bridge, they're going to connect Cardano and Ergo. Okay? Now, they have a whole bunch of SBOs on Cardano have already signed up to be, I believe, what they're called watchers. And I don't fully know all the terms, but I kind of know what's going on. But they have watchers and guards, and there's some off-chain and some on-chain stuff happening. I don't know how it's going to happen with other chains. I'm sure it's going to probably, actually, I don't know. Like Bitcoin, is it going to be through the mining? They're going to be the watchers or the guards or whatever. But you're going to transfer from Ergo to Cardano, and then you're going to have R Ergo or R whatever. Or you can go from Cardano to Ergo and you have R ADA, right? And, for Rosen ADA, I guess. I don't know. And then they're going to go to Ethereum, Bitcoin, and I don't remember, Binance next. But this has been promised for a long time. But that will be a way to buy Ergo for us eventually. Oh, I love how they call it Lovelaces over here. And it's in testing right now. So I'm looking forward to this. It could be big things, and it could be big things for Ergo. Could, right? Spectrum Finance, I'm bullish on them. But And there's going to be a lot, and what's going to be this could blow up, and you can earn SPF tokens over here, which kind of hurts my brain because SPF is a very technical email term. But anyway, there can be a lot of cross-chain liquidity and a lot happening over here on Spectrum Finance. So Spectrum Finance could blow up. Ergo could blow up. It could be good for Cardano. It can be great for Ergo, right? Those are the facts, but it could also not be. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, there's other layer zero. If you're an Ergonaut and you're hardcore Kool-Aid sipping the Cardano and the Ergo tea, the Kool-Aid, I should say, there's other great technology. I think layer zero does it better. I'm not saying Rosen Bridge won't be great and can't eventually go down that path, right? That is the future. In fact, I invented it live on stream, and Retro didn't get it, but I was like, there needs to be a way to go from one chain to the other and for it to remain native on the other chain. And that's what layer zero is doing. So bridges are too. What's with all the FUD about U.S. credit rating? America's monetary is starting to show cracks, and some are noticing. Yeah, Fitch downgraded our credit rating. They said they took into account something really stupid that made no sense. Oh, they took into account. Well, I guess you can. I guess if I think about it, you can, because it shows a divide in our political system. But they took into account the January 6th stuff into downgrading us. I don't know. They probably got paid by China to do it or something. Good time. Yeah, this is a great time to buy crypto. Harmony was killed by bridges. Yep. Either up or down. Harmony one was killed by very, very, very poor security on their bridge. They didn't have multi-factor. It was ridiculous. They almost don't deserve to be in business. How bad their security was. But yeah. So look. The United States is always on the brink of collapse. Our credit rating got downgraded in 2008 by everyone. Everyone downgraded our credit rating, and I think we got it back pretty quickly after that happened. That's when Biden stepped in, and that's look, you might hate Biden, but he stepped into a very sticky situation. And I know it was his fault because he just stepped into office, right? So the Democrats blame the Republicans. No, it was Bush's fault. And they're like, no, Bush was here because of Clinton. You can all kiss my butt. You know what I'm saying? But our credit ratings got destroyed by everyone in 2008, and we made a comeback pretty quickly. If you want to look at, it was a slow process at first, but the 2008 crash was right here. And then we pretty much, that lasted half a year. And then we went on the greatest bull run in the history of the bull market. No comparison. What was this? This was COVID, but that lasted for a blip. Oh wait, was that what we were just looking at? Yeah, my apologies. We need to go to the weekly. All right, so here's the great financial crisis. That lasted basically the bottom 1 year, top to bottom. We had just recovered from the dot-com. We were starting to recover from the dot-com, and then we had a year of hell. And then we went on the greatest bull run, not even close, in the history of the stock market. A lot of money pumped into the system during all this. It's probably going to be a pretty kind of a reset right now. We could continue to go down. We could continue to get a lower low. Who the hell knows, right? I think crypto's it's way riskier. But if you're in safe assets, like if you're all in Bitcoin, that's pretty safe. It's pretty much guaranteed to go up over time because of the halving. It might have a long stretch of bad, not making it. Like the next bull run, it's not out of the question for Bitcoin to not go to new all-time highs. I don't think that's going to happen, but it's not. If we're in like a deep recession and the market's crashing and no one has any money, right? It's not out of the question that it ruins our bull market. I hope it doesn't, but the Bitcoin halving is a guaranteed. It will eventually goes up, and our plan B, wait until you're right, just gets extended. It's gonna suck. Stranger in the house, how you doing, brother? Long time no see. I am doing pretty good today. How you doing, brother? All right, so that's pretty much it on the Rosen Bridge and Ergo. I'm pretty excited. What is this? How did this end up on my screen? All about that base. Oh, thank you for putting that. What is base doing as of late? All right, let's see. Is Bitcoin doing anything? Trying to get a little jiggy. 29.2. Stock market still rallying. Coinbase is green. That's good for the good kids, especially my kids. E-mini S&P still down 22. NASDAQ down 60. Not bad. BT 120K, the next bull run. I'm not going to complain. That would mean about a $6 trillion market cap, which would be good for everything. Bitcoin hit 2.98. If it gets to 120, that's almost a double. We're talking $5.5–6 trillion. You're talking Cardano should see $5–6. You should see all the good coins should 2x their all-time high as it, again, first it goes into Bitcoin right here. Oh, we're looking at the market cap. All right, so where's Bitcoin? Bitcoin's basically touching the 2017 all-time high in 2020, December 2020. It started in October. The real move up started in October, and by January, it peaked at 2x the all-time high. So Bitcoin had 2x in the first November, December, 3 months at 2x from the previous all-time high. Where Ethereum didn't really start until December, 2 months later. It started, and it didn't eclipse 1,400. So it didn't even get back to all-time highs until around February. And then it went. So Bitcoin goes first, and then some money will start coming out of Bitcoin into the alts. First your top alts, and more people start FOMOing in, right? So it's a two to three step process. Bitcoin goes first. People start to FOMO in. Bitcoin continues to go up, but the early people start selling Bitcoin to buy alts, while the older people are buying Bitcoin. And then the dummies keep selling the Bitcoin at the top to buy the altcoins now that are at the top as it keeps trickling down and down, right? So you got to be ahead of the game. For me, I keep it simple. I'm just going to hold. I got my Bitcoin. I got my Ethereum. I'm going to wait for about 18 months after the halving, and we're going to stop selling. I mean, we're going to start selling. We're going to start taking profits, right? If Bitcoin's at 120,000, what are we on? ETH? If Ethereum's at, let's see, April 24 is the halving, right? Ugh. Man, I can't believe it's already 2023 and I'm as old as I am. So 18 months later, I don't know, somewhere at the end of 2025, hopefully we have a great 2024 and 25. Like we're going to be partying like it's 1999. Me and the boys, we're going to all be looking for an island to buy or a villa to buy. Look at you go. I wasn't really paying attention during the 2008 crash. I bought my home in '09 at 6% interest rate. I didn't know or give an S about economics. I refinanced in 2015. Wow, you got it that low in 2015? I'm a lot like you. Did you get the house credit where you like they gave you, I don't know, like $7,000 or something? I just finished paying that off. But I bought my house in '09 too, right at 6% interest, and I refinanced it down to, I don't know, 2.5%, I think, just recently. How did Obama dupe you? Oh, he duped you. What do you? That's not a dupe. That was a tax-free loan, bro. That was a great way to get people to buy houses, and a lot of people like you and me, it helped us buy a house that's worth 2x what we paid for it. At least more than 2x what I paid for it. I could sell it right now and make a 6-figure profit, and I got a $7,000 interest-free loan. What if Bitcoin stays at 20 to 30K for 10 years? I mean, I probably won't be here to talk about it because I'll have stressed myself into an early grave. There is no chance Bitcoin stays at 30K for 10 years. I give that a 0% chance. The only way if that happens, Bitcoin's dead. Like, Bitcoin's going to zero. Savvy was right. With the adoption going up and the supply going down, it's guaranteed. It's programmed. It is freaking programmed. You might not have been paying it. It was 3,500. No, it was 7,000. I'm pretty sure because I paid 500 for like ever. I just finished paying that off. That would be like 10. Yeah, it was 7,000. I'm pretty sure. I bought the house and blew the money on crap. I don't remember why. A new car, I think. I was a knucklehead. Yeah. It was over 7K. Oh, Savvy's prediction. Yeah, his prediction is 3,500. Mine was, I thought it was 7,000 or 7,500. It might have been 7,500. I mean, I was a knucklehead too. Not as much of a knucklehead as you. I mean, I was buying the house because I knew that was the smart thing to do at the time. The market was at the bottom, and I knew real estate would recover, and I knew I would be gaining net worth over time, and the houses were going to go back, would make a comeback. Don't ask me how I knew that at the time, because it's not like I'm some kind of real estate guru. I have to admit, I'm really disappointed in how the jet evolved. I'm not exactly jumping over rainbows. I don't know, over. Listen, hopefully this picks up in a bull run. I don't know what to say, bro. They need an on-ramp. We need a freaking on-ramp for stable coins. Cardano, maybe we should pay USDC. I don't know. Looks like the circus is back in town. Yeah, this video. Well, we've already discussed this. I'm not going to go back off the rails on that. Is it just me or a lot of Cardano influencers gone? I'm still alive and kicking. Only a few people listen to the greatest channel on the planet, though. Breaking bull season, likely to be approved at the same time. I think she's right. I think it's coming soon, guys. Plus the Ethereum ones, it's gonna happen. Gary Gensler's over there buying the shit out of Bitcoin and Ethereum and probably Cardano, because I wonder if they're getting tracked for their purchases. Like, what's to stop people over at the SEC from buying a shitload of Bitcoin and then approving the ETF? Right? I feel like that should be, and if they're manipulating it down, wouldn't that be the greatest rug in the history of rugs? The SEC suppressing it right now so they can load the flotilla. You know, Tony the Bat Batista said load the flotilla over on Tasty Trade the other day. I almost had to hit him up and say, "Hey, bro, I see you're watching my channel." I told my friend to buy Casper. That must have been Mentos. He must have told Mentos. He accidentally bought Casper. Well, that worked out for him. And now he thinks he's smart. He's smarter than you. You told him to buy a shit coin, and he bought a coin that's hitting all-time highs. How do you like them apples? Just putting it out there. Okay. The first stage of Project Catalyst review for level 0 and level 1 will be coming to a close today at 11. I haven't looked at any of them. I'm lazy. Soybean oil, which is very common, could drive inflammatory bowel disease. I try to put only good oils in this body, this finely tuned machine. I'm considering providing liquidity at Levy Finance. Yeah. Speaking of Levy Finance, there's another rug pull coin being dropped today. Oh, and I think LenFi finally started falling off a cliff like it should. Yeah. The people are probably selling this so they can buy that stupid linkage that's coming out today. I don't know if linkage and opt are all tied to Muesli or what they're all tied to, but it's feeling very, very scammy over there. A lot of red flags. I've been preaching since BC years. I've been saying the LenFi market cap makes it. I have nothing against LenFi. I wish them all the success in the world, but their market cap to TVL, which is my Invest Answers data point, is a much better data point to look at than TVL or market cap to transactions. That's a stupid one to look at, especially when most of Solana's transactions are crap. Of course, you got a lot of transactions, bro. It's all validator signing messages. 95% of it is not user activity. So that your metric's stupid, bro. Get on my channel, bro. Anyway, LenFi, TVL to market cap made no sense. All right? Get it? Got it? You know it's good. Kopi doesn't make any sense to me. 30 million market cap. I've never played the game. Okay? It looks interesting, but come on. It's a metaverse. Metaverses are dead to me. Snack. Ugh. IAG coming back down to earth after its little pump. I think that one could continue to go down. People are just moving money around in Cardano right now. Opt was the big thing. Now they're going to go out and buy this stupid linkage. Yep, people are selling, preparing to buy opt or linkage. It's all just a big shell game. Indie Finance below 9. That's very disappointing. This one should continue to go up, but if you want to look at the TA, there was the snakehead. Like, I feel like this one's probably going to bottom out in the 8 handle, right back to where it was, that 7 to 8 handle, and then maybe have another run up. You want to, that's a good, and this one right here is one that I keep talking about. I think this is a great project. And it's down. Down big. It's got great both Indie and Liquid have great TVL. But Liquid's way down here at 8 million market cap. ARB have 0.73 market cap. Cardano 58. So ARB better than ADA. Yeah, people look at those metrics. Those are tough metrics to judge because Cardano's more of what's gonna come, not what they have now, right? So yes, their market cap to TVL is ugly, but they just started getting TVL in a bear market. There was nothing you could do on Cardano other than buy and sell NFTs until recently. So, and I've said numerous times, this bull run, the rubber needs to meet the road. I believe Cardano in a bull run will have a really good bull run, regardless if the rubber meets the road. But if the rubber doesn't meet the road, meaning billions of TVL don't come into Cardano, I'm going to sell it a lot heavier at the end of the bull run than I might. You know what I'm saying? ARB is better than ADA. Yes and no. Right now, ARB is technically better than ADA because there's a bit more to do over there, and it's cheap and it's fast and it works. It's not true that there's a bit more to do over there. The DeFi over there kind of sucks, to be honest. They do have two really good projects. And they have layer 0, right? There's 2.89 billion. GMX is great. Radiant is great. You can Uniswap. You can Aave. Oh, so Lido's not here. That's why you don't get rebase with it. But it's staked. It's Ethereum layer 2. I don't know. And it's cheap. It's really cheap and fast. Curves over here, but they're probably going out of business. Compound. Even the stuff they have, Trader Joe's. Right, so there's a lot of good stuff over here, but if it doesn't come to Cardano this bull run, I'm pulling the plug harder. That's all I'm saying. I say don't get married to a coin. I'm about as close as you can get to being married when it comes to Cardano. I'm heavily married to Bitcoin and Ethereum because those have almost no chance of going down. Bitcoin and Ethereum, like, yeah, I don't care. Cardano maxis. Oh, Cardano's cheaper. It doesn't matter, bro. Cardano is the first, right? First smart contract. It's reliable. It's been around the longest. It got great devs. Banks sending hundreds of billions of dollars or hundreds of millions of dollars don't care, and all that activity is going to go to layer 2s, and Ethereum's just going to be mostly for security. And then gas will go down. They'll do things to improve transactions. Things are going to happen. Okay. Do I think Cardano's better? Yes. Does that matter? No. Okay. ARB is too decentralized. Plus they have token on. Yeah. I mean, most chains are too decentralized. All layer 2s are probably on Ethereum are probably way too centralized. And you were correct. Arbitrum, only like 10% of the circulating supply is out there. So it's a token that I think will do good in this bull run. But you're going to, like, I have it. I got it for free and I plan on selling it. And I don't know that I plan on, even with all the unlocks, it's probably a good long-term play. I think Arbitrum will be successful. I think Optimism will be successful. There's more layer 2s coming that could be successful. Polygon will be successful. And these all improve and build and support Ethereum, right? So you can be a maxi all you want that Cardano's greater or Solana's an ETH killer. No, probably not, bro, on any of it. Well, Cardano, look, and there's plenty of use cases where Ethereum's going to have its niche and Cardano's going to have its niche, and there's plenty of room for both of us to eat. Plenty of room for multiple chains to eat. Plenty of room for trillions of dollars to come into this space. We're extremely early. Keep piling into the blue chips and, spread a little bit of money, a little degen money at stuff that has really good teams, really good dev, really good tech. You look for things like, what do they do? Are they going to incentivize? And do they have some unique thing? And you could throw a little bit of your money at that, and you're going to make a fortune in crypto. You chase meme coins. You FOMO out of tops. Or you FOMO into tops of coins like Cadena when all the YouTubers are pumping it up. And then your exit liquidity, you FOMO into that and it starts dumping, and you see something else pumping and YouTubers and people are FOMO, and then you sell, you lose money on that, and then you go in and you do the same thing. No, you buy now. You buy, not financial advice, you buy blue chips now. And you wait. And you cash checks. And you snap necks. You can throw a little degen money out there, but it needs to be a small percentage of your portfolio. When you see me go buy $2,000, my biggest mistake this year, you see me go buy $2,000 of Pepe. That was a little bit less than 1% of my overall portfolio, right? And I'm down about half, 50, a little over 50%. Stupid, right? I knew it was stupid when I did it. I deserved to lose that. That was a mistake, right? Don't make those mistakes. All right. Got me on a rampage. All right, let's see what's going on Twitter. We were already there, but Coin Bureau, did you miss the Litecoin? Yep. We didn't miss it. I talked about it yesterday, but I get your point. If you blinked, you wouldn't notice. If you're able to buy Ergo at these prices, you'll be buying the cheapest I've ever seen it. Yeah, it's pretty cheap. Who's your favorite crypto influencer? Me. Coinbase, we're looking at how to best add Lightning. It's not, yeah, that's old news, bro. Self-custody is essential to defending freedom. I love this guy. Mr. Davidson. I don't remember if I heard him talking the other day. Did they attach his balls back? Bitcoiners equipped. This is fake. This is Kurt's Photoshop skills right here. Is that, yeah, is that real? Because that's dope as hell if that's real. It doesn't look real though. People are believing it. Is that real? Bitcoin on NYSE Bull. Yeah, it's fake. Fake news. It's fake news. Fake news. Is she ever like, we are effed? This logo, and this is annoying, dude. I wonder if people are walking around San Francisco having seizures. Verified users can now download videos. Okay. Big things are coming for chill kongs. No one cares. I have very little interest in Bitcoin top 50 cryptos because you're a moron. Yeah, talk about your gaming coins. It got everyone wrecked. Everyone that followed Alex Becker the last bull run is living on the street right now. Let's see what Salazar.eth. Anything interesting? Click the wrong thing. X gonna give it to him. Oh, this is interesting. Almost Honda, people like Hedera. Hyundai Motors and Kia introduced CO2 emission monitoring system built on Hedera. U.S. Department of Justice is ooh, this could be ugly. Considering charging Binance, but are afraid a bank run similar to FTX. So they are considering other options such as fines and deferred agreements. Yeah. Figure it out in arbitration. Don't see, look at the U.S. justice system really doing a better job of protecting Joe Crypto versus the SEC. Curve founder is now trying to solve with over-the-counter sell of Curve. 24 million Curve. To Justin Sun, Yearn Finance. Interesting. Ubisoft announces their first upcoming blockchain game last month. Another gaming giant, Bandai, announced their, hell yeah. You know where they should build it is on Cardano, because Hydra heads make blockchain games palatable. You don't have to sit there and interact with smart contracts. Take 20 minutes to go. Oh my goodness. I've been talking without sound. Ugh. Oh, why do you guys put up with me? Huh? Why? Yeah. Just talking about Rosen Bridge and the commits. It's boring shit anyway. No, it kept going. If it would have stayed, if my internet would have stayed down, oh, we love you. I love you. I love you, bro. If it would have kept, I can only go back 3 minutes. Oh, yeah, I think it's because it's live. I don't know how it'll handle it. It'll probably still be on one stream, I guess. I don't know. But you'll be able to replay it over as many times as you want, Ricky. Yeah, it looks like it's still just one stream. 4 likes. You guys are coming with the heat today. Get it together. It was definitely my fault on the muting, but it was all a domino effect because my internet went down. It went down for a few minutes. That happened to me yesterday too, for like 2 or 3 minutes. I haven't had that problem in a while. I haven't had that problem since I upgraded to their new gigabit. And I don't even think I get a gigabit. It might burst to that. Let me check. Fast.com. I'll use that one. Yeah, I'm paying for gigabit. Comcast is all fake though. That shows 330 because it only bursts for like 10 seconds. It's not like a good fiber optic where it's continuous, sustained. I mean, I guess. This is 675. My upload's only 20. The upload what matters too on streaming, but 20's good. Your headphones have been effing. Oh, yeah. No, it was me. My apologies. Current ADA liquid yields. The JED and ISUD are paying, and I am engaged in that. I want to put more over there, to be quite honest. Is there a way for me to do that? Honestly, I'm considering taking it out of liquid. I mean, I love indie, but I think liquid has more upside, man. But my LP over on indie isn't at risk of liquidation. It's only smart contract risk. If I start YOLOing into some degen looping, it's a little bit more risky. I just need to be patient. I always want to tinker, right? Just keep farming. The sell will be on, here's the new one, 4 p.m. UTC. Let's see, 9 a.m. So that's in about an hour and 7 minutes if you want to buy this rug pull. You might make some money if you want a yellow. You would have made money in opt. Problem is, Li-Fi token, 22 million. You have to send them, I'm pretty sure you send them ADA. And whatever percentage of your ADA is to the total pool, they'll send that back into Li-Fi at this price. These are just cash grabs, guys. Look, a Cardano compromising of core developers renowned Muesli Swap from Muesli Swap. This is Muesli Swap cash grabs. I don't know if opt is the same thing. I think if opt is the same people, cash effing grabs, dude. You can't have the same core team trying to build 3 projects at the same time. Valo's in the house. How you doing, brother? Yeah. Oh my goodness. All right, 7:54 a.m. We gotta wrap this up anyway. I'm going to the chapel, and I'm gonna get married. Coinbase up $2. Let's freaking go. The miners are trying to get jiggy. The Nasdaq down 70 still. So crypto trying to spark. The crypto. No, that's dominance. I got a little excited. Oh no, that's Bitcoin. That's the futures though. 29,344. Nah. Just another little jiggy fake out. Bitcoin trying to get y'all excited. It ain't about to do shit. Man, today feels like a Friday, don't it? All right, everyone. That's my time. You've been great. I'll be back tomorrow. I don't know what the hell we're going to talk about. If it wasn't for Ergo today, I'd have had nothing. Unless Bitcoin tanks or blows up tomorrow, what are we going to talk about? This is the most boring bear market we've... Wow, I wasn't really covering crypto in the last bear market, but this is unbearable. This bear market's unbearable. Can you stream movies? I don't know. Technically, no. They have EULAs and all that stuff. I mean, I don't know if it'd get taken down, but no, I wouldn't want to do that anyway. I wouldn't want to take money away from actors, underpaid actors and writers in Hollywood. I'm not going to stream a movie at 6:30 in the morning, bro. 6:30 in the morning pizza stream? That's an excuse to eat pizza in the morning. That might get me to do a pizza stream, Ricky. Give me an excuse to eat a delicious pizza at 6:30 in the morning. That would get me out of bed every day. Or I don't think I'd ever get sick of eating pizza. That's not true. I've gotten there a few times, but you get sick of it and you bounce back after a day or two. Anyway, that's my time. You've been great. I'll catch you tomorrow, 6:30 a.m. again, Thirsty Thursday. Don't drink too much so you can make it through.